Alright guys, welcome back to another day with Corolla Customs. Today I have an amazing video for you guys, and it's going to be a big journey that we're going to go through. So for the first time ever, I'm actually going to try and attempt to fix a car that's been in an accident. It's a whole front end change. It's not a drastic accident, but I think it's something that will test my abilities and see how well I can do it. And I would love if you guys can follow me on this. So what we're going to end up doing is changing the front hood, the bumper, the radiator support bracket, and any internals that may be damaged, such as the radiator, the condenser, things like that. I don't think they're damaged. I think they're very salvageable, but I just bought them just in case. And then I'll end up masking off the whole front of the car and painting that section only, and I think this will be great. By the way, the car is a 2009 Nissan Sentra, and I will show you guys what it looks like shortly. But right now I'm actually going to drive to get the parts that I ordered, such as the radiator and whatnot. See you guys soon. What's up guys? So I'm back. I received the parts from the parts store. I think I gotta go on a diet or something. Anyway, oh hell yeah, I got a double chin. Yeah, I gotta go on one. Well, anyway, so I received the parts from the parts store, and let me show you what I'm working with. So this is the car that I'm working with right now, and it definitely needs some kind of help. This is the 2009 Nissan Sentra. Supposedly it's been in a accident. Some lady reversed her car into him while he was at a stoplight. So what we're gonna do is replace that passenger headlight. We're gonna replace this whole bumper. We're gonna replace the hood, even though the hood is okay, but we bought the hood. It's not okay. There's a big dent in here, and I don't really have the proper tools to kind of pull it back and possibly mend it into place. Plus the little like latch frame piece is really bent and rusted off, so he's better off getting a new one. The radiator support is gonna be replaced because that's twisted. And also on top of that, I have to kind of rewire his headlights because someone ghettoed fixed them, and that's the wrong way to do things. And yeah, so let's see how everything turns out. Alright, so let's get this process started. So first we gotta okay, well that came off a little too easy. Alright, yeah, we'll just leave that there for now. We're gonna try to take off the bumper and have everything done. So my friend John, or actually my one of my temporary employees, is actually gonna assist me. So I'm gonna take over the camera shot while he unlooshes the bumper.
What do you say, unlooshes?
Yeah, unlooshes.
Unlooshes, yeah. Where are these rest of the soup? Oh my god.
When I sing, oh, oh, you got to teach me, Mr. Trini, how to get that swing. Oh, in a piece in your left pocket, 5 cents in your right, 10 cents in your back pocket. Safely out the side, in front, under your vest. Stick to the law, no count. If you want to learn, I explain to her. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar, come again. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar, small change, give me big money, wine. Dollar, 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 dollar. Give me dollar, 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 give me dollar. She whole night in the party. She said to me, oh, oh yeah. All the time you moving your body, sweet and sexy. Oh, oh yeah. I hear that your hip movement is really called a wine. I don't mess with alcohol, but that wine is fine. I love the way you sing, showing waist like rain. Right now, I want to learn, so show me again. Cent, 10 cent, dollar, cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Come again, cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. She said she can't take the pace. We going too slow, so she want me walk up me waist and wait the tempo. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. 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 When I thought that showing up and she can't stand the grind, she ball. Forget the small change, give me big money, wine.